know I get the kilo. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. You know I get the kilos. 50%. If you are not bilingual, get the fuck up out of town before we run your ass down. Underground, how I came out. Any nigga try to stop me, let it hang out. Let it bang, let it rain out. Yo soy el Dios, you are Dios, nigga. I am the God. Get a nigga chopped up on a Tuesday, while the club going up on a Tuesday. This is doomsday, I can have Guadalupe come through and knock down a Trump out his toupee. Now look at his brains all on the sidewalk. He tucked the 38 and jump on my Skywalker. I'm rolling, shotgun Claudia Ochoa. I am only nigga walking through Sinaloa with the blood red Chuck Taylor's gone, and you know when I show up, it's a squad full of killer squad, full of hit a squad, full of niggas that'll pull up, let it bark on a nigga. 106 shots park on a nigga, street sweeper with the whole block up, nose arc on a nigga. Got 2 Glock 9s, 2 fruit 5s, 2 Desert Eagles, and they fly together side by side. No juego conmigo, tú sabes, amigo, no Tony Montana, mi amigos y kilos, mi casa, su casa, cuidar con el chico, tú quieres la placa, yo tengo perico.
Ya te dije, juego y fuego.
I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. Nigga, I am the God. Pinche policía, puto, jodiendo todos los días. Cabrón, que si ahora tu familia, mátalo, o mi madre y mi tía. Así. I'm on a private jet with El Chapo, feet up, sipping Tecate, about to land for the re-up. Fuck them antennas, we ain't out them tracking devices. The feds, they be watching to see us. Niggas wanna see us, check the IG. I'm in the V throwing blood up like an IV. Don't try me, days low for the AK. 600 million, 400 million from Dre Day. Pablo Escobar in my heyday. Bringing off coke, that's a payday. On a private jet, that's a Mayday. In South America, on a vacate. P on my snapback, chopping grade A. None of these niggas ready for the melee. 100 cal, make his body do the nay-nay. Leave a nigga face worse off than Sinead. Yup, I am the God, I've been telling you niggas. I got a bird and a chopper and a trunk and I will sell it to niggas. We can screw it and chop it, machetes on deck, I will sever you niggas. Behind these bars, I'm El Chapo, motorcycle lot to sell on you niggas.
Escúchame, chinga tu madre, nunca me encontrarás. So para de mirar, no me controlas, te controlo, controlo a todos. Me respetan o se mueran. Soy el Chapo y Lego Sinaloa.
El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. Nigga, I am the God. Nigga, I am the God.
This our worldly sacrifice. fighting until the dawn. So follow me and we will right our own history.
to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over. Loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this move, capture this moment and hope it don't pass it. Lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. Soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a normal life is boring. The superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder. Homie grows hotter. He blows. It's all over. These is all on him. Coast to coast shows. He's known as the globetrotter. Lonely roads God only knows his grown father. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. These fools don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next move. He knows don't and so nada. So the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. That it up, that it up. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games. I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this and roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying to buy